It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here at the Tropez Buffet at the Suncoast. Tropez Buffet recently upgraded the food here. Apparently it's much better than it was before. And it was pretty poor before. The great thing is they didn't raise the prices. In fact, I think they lowered the prices. Right now I'm here for lunch on a Saturday and it's just $6.99. Let's see what there is to eat. And the first thing I see is Italian food. Garlic bread, squash, your pasta sauces, a big vat of spaghetti, chicken marsala, Italian sausage. You know, this is already looking like it might be worth $6.99. Here's pizza, assorted pizzas, as it's handwritten right there. And now the Mexican toppings, the salsa and guacamole and so forth for your tacos and chili verde. Got corn and rice and beans. And churros and cheese sauce for your nacho chips. And pozole. Already there's a pretty good variety here. And hey, look at this. Burgers made to order. Here's my fried chicken. It's my favorite food on any buffet. And mashed potatoes, well, that's a close second. Here's the meat carvery. And there is meat being carved. Some turkey right there.
Okay, that's good.
Alright, we're not even halfway through yet. Let's see what there is. Okay, here's all the toppings like horseradish, mustards. And now the Asian food. Chinese noodles, fried rice, and right back there, looks like a place you can get your Mongolian grill. Here's the beef and broccoli, sweet and sour pork, bok choy, and of course, steamed rice. I don't recommend loading up on that at a buffet. More dips and sauces, tartar sauce, cocktail sauce, apple sauce. Alright, now, the seafood section. Salmon, clam strips, swai, trout, catfish, hush puppies, paella, tempura shrimp. I mean, if even just a couple of these things taste good, it might be worth $6.99. And that says dim sum. I don't know about that. But we also have Mongolian beef. So there's and this is a egg foo young. That's iffy. But here's the Mongolian stir fry fixins. These are the things you can put together in a bowl and have them cook it up for you on the grill right behind the counter here. You got your bean sprouts and your broccoli, and your bamboo shoots, and you got a meat of your choice. You get a choice of beef, chicken, or shrimp. Maybe just ask for all shrimp. I mean, don't even give them any vegetables. And here's what it looks like: a salad bar. It's more like a fruit bar right here. You got pineapple and peaches and pears. And there's soups. Soup bowls. Now here's the soup. Fideo and chicken noodle. Let's see how this looks. Yep, that looks like chicken noodle. Like Campbell's soup. Alright, now there is a salad bar right over there. I can see it, so let's see what's on it. Oh, there's more soup. Seafood soup. And more Fideo soup. What is Fideo soup? Alright, so here's the salad bar. Your dressings, your toppings. Pretty good variety here. You got chopped egg, cherry tomatoes, shredded chicken, and of course all your greens. But as I've said before, I don't have too much time for salads on a buffet, but I do have plenty of time for desserts. There's a pretty good assortment here. I see cake slices and chocolate cake, cheesecake. There's pie. Looks like lemon meringue. And this looks like toppings for ice cream. Yep, there it is. The soft serve, chocolate and vanilla. And of course the bread pudding and the cobblers. Hey, rice pudding. That's nice to see. And of course, what may actually be my favorite dessert at any Las Vegas buffet, the hand-scooped ice cream. It's just always good. No matter how bad the buffet is, the ice cream is always good. It looks like the Tropez Buffet here at the Suncoast has all my favorites. Most importantly, fried chicken. Also, turkey and gravy, mashed potatoes. This is Mongolian beef, shrimp tempura, and egg foo young. But how does it taste? Well, let's find out. I'm gonna go with the thing I think probably tastes the worst. That'll be like the standard, just it only goes up from there. The egg foo young. Not great, but okay, that's probably what tastes the worst. Let's see what tastes the best. Probably the mashed potatoes. Pretty good. Not great. All right, my last hope is on the fried chicken. I'm hoping this is gonna be great. Meat looks a little, not sure, is this really fried chicken? Again, it's okay. It's just okay. I think everything here is just okay. And considering the price, well, I think that's kind of amazing. All right, let's try again with another plate. Got some teriyaki chicken, spaghetti with sausage and meatballs. This is chicken marsala. Looks kind of like a steak or something, but it's chicken marsala and pizza. Not bad, tastes like cafeteria, school cafeteria pizza. Sometimes all right. And so here's some of the desserts. As you can see, there's cake and peach cobbler, and there's even rice pudding that really just looks like rice. And ice cream. It's really hard to go wrong with ice cream. I really was hoping that I could rave about this place because they definitely made some improvements, but I think they still have a long way to go. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about the Suncoast Buffet. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas. As always, the best food on the buffet, the ice cream.